Hi, this is Simon from Go Wireless, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Plasma Cloud PA2200 access point. Looking at what we get in the box. Get a quick start guide with some instructions of how to get started and installed. The access point itself, which is a tri-band access point, meaning it has one 2x2 2.4 gig antenna and two 2x2 5 gig antennas. We also get some mounting brackets in there as well. So Plasma Cloud is a free cloud platform that can be used to manage devices such as the PA2200. It supports zero-touch config as well as very simple mesh configuration. If you'd like more information on these products, do contact us, sales@gowifi.co.nz, or just jump on gowifi.co.nz. Thank you.